breakfast is kamote, guys, kamote, eggplant, sardinas. So, we're gonna eat now. Wala pa'y panghimuta. And this is Terrence's that's what's Terrence's breakfast here. That Nanay preferred noodles. Every morning, Terrence got noodles. In the morning, Terrence, there's a mashed potato in the house, so she eat it, and then have coffee, and then after we got beans also for her breakfast, and then after that, she came out here. She going down here para magkaon og noodles. Okay. Where is the camera?
Pangina na uy.
Ayaw, magstorya pa ganita. Yeah, wala pa ibra. Mao nga magpasalipod sa lamisa. Yeah, so the okra, eggplant, because Julio there, down the road, down at the creek, the farmer's house in the mountain, which is our house number, I think 21. Yeah. 23? Wow, Nanay memorize. Yeah, she's giving us some vegetable, you know, and sometimes we buy, but then they just says, oh no, she just gives some vegetable to us because they're selling it every day to the barangays down the road, and then it's for the one who buy it, cook it and sell it in school. So we're very glad. They're very good. They're very hardworking on their gardens. Before, that area there is just flat grass, you know, and now it's really a lot of plants. So we put sardines on this to make it tasty.
Gusto naman kaon na. Hi.
Yeah, and the other also, it's more tasty if it's tinabal. Sa gulan o subakan o tinabal or buwad nga bulinaw. And this is called in the vegetable dish in Bisaya, it's called utan. Utang lauoy. This is called utang lauoy. It means it's combinations of different kinds of vegetables that was just boiled it and then put some seasoning on it, and then it's finished. It's very natural cooking. No need for different types of frying or anything. Just very simple way. But even though vegetable is very good in health, if you're allergic, for example, if you get cough, you're not supposed to eat eggplant because it will trigger your cough more hard, you know. Musamot ang imong ubo ug mukaon kag gidili nga utanon.